You made it. And you're here. You're here to learn about the Tier 5 community. I'm John Vaughn. I'm the founder and CEO of Tier 5. At least I'm the virtual John Vaughn. And let's just go learn about the Tier 5 community together. Let's have a look. And first, let's watch this video on the community page. First thing we'll do is we'll watch this video on the community page. And then if you have any questions, we'll just answer those questions.
I just wanted to share my thoughts about Tier 5 software development company.
Hi everyone,
It's Rachel!
And I wanted to share with you my review on the Tier 5 community.
Hello, what's up everyone? Junior Lee here.
Oh my god, it's Junior. I love Junior so much.
And I want to give a quick shout out and a testimonial to Tier 5 and John Vaughn for giving me this amazing opportunity.
Hi guys,
I love you, Junior.
Lindsay McGowan here
It's
from
Lindsay.
LG Solutions. I just wanted to hop on and give a big shout out to John Vaughn and the
Hey,
Tier
Lindsay.
5 community.
Hi, my name is
What's
Silly,
silly?
and yeah, I'm so stoked, guys, to be here in this group, in this Tier 5 group with John Vaughn and all these awesome entrepreneurs, these awesome products, and yeah, I really love it.
Good afternoon. My name is Nancy Woodward, and I'm here because I want to talk to you about Tier 5.
Hold on. I just want to make sure that you see. Here's Nancy, right here. Nancy's awesome. She's a baby boomer. Ben, it's kind of crazy. You know, two sets of the Tier 5 employees are married, like me and my wife and my production manager. And it looks like Ben and Rachel are getting married, two of our community members, our first two community members to get married. So congratulations, guys. But let's go back to Nancy.
The community and the software, and in particular, John Vaughn, the owner.
So,
it's Sam Maxwell.
Firstly, say a huge thank you to John and his team.
No problem, Sam.
Hey,
Brittany!
I'm Brittany Larson, and
Hey, Brittany.
I just want to say I love Tier 5, community-owned software company in John Vaughn.
Hi guys, I'm Josh.
Hey,
I'm going to
Josh.
tell you a little bit about Tier 5, and what I wanted to tell you today is that you will become a part of a community that shares and has a forefront of a man named John Vaughn that is the founder of Tier 5. And Tier 5, at its core, is software that enables companies to really excel and go farther than they ever were
love
with
software.
a couple clicks of the mouse.
I first heard about Tier 5 when I saw one of the softwares being demonstrated in another Facebook group. And I just thought, wow, that was amazing. You know, it was generating leads on autopilot.
Initially, I
Hey,
was interested in
Rachel.
the Tier 5 software, specifically the one
It's Rachel.
called Invoicing You, which essentially allows you to turn your
Invoicing You is
message
awesome.
into a shopping cart.
That's right, Lindsay.
It's perfect for
totally
Etsy
perfect.
shop owners or direct sales reps or people selling off their
Anybody
Facebook
who wants to
pages.
get money, if you like money,
And it
perfect for
really
you.
allows them to boost their brands just with one tool.
This group is so much value, and the one thing I
Thanks,
like
Junior.
about John is that he really cares and spends the time with you to really find out what your needs and goals are, and to really sit down and help you through that.
That's because
He's
you're
just such a
awesome,
nice,
Junior.
genuine guy. Seriously, I've known him for
You got a nice hand.
quite a while
He's
here
like
now.
a beautiful.
This company is so
That's Brittany
awesome.
again.
This is like one of the best
Hey, Brittany.
decisions I've ever made for my business.
Now, I initially joined to get access to the personal use of the software.
We got a lot of softwares.
But I quickly realised the value and the opportunity within Tier 5.
The community's
It's
pretty cool,
amazing.
right?
You see,
You'll find
not
out.
only
I'll
do
tell you in
get
just a second.
access to the softwares themselves, you get access to the software development services. You get access to an affiliate program, the reseller program, but not only that, you get access to this fantastic community, and that is second to
It's
none.
full of awesome
Priceless.
people like Lindsay.
The mentoring
So,
and
full of
the
awesome
training that's
entrepreneurs in the
offered
Tier
within
5
that
community.
by John and his team. You know, it's absolutely amazing. It's taken me from, you know, not knowing much about these softwares to being able to go out and actually sell them and earn an income from it. So I'm so glad that I made that decision to become part of the group, and I'm honoured that John has allowed us this opportunity to be part of the group. And all I would say to you is, if you're looking at this as an opportunity, I would say just jump right in, because you won't regret it. And I look forward to seeing you all in the inside, and have a good one for now.
With the community, you have all the know-how, the training videos, the people that are in it that are more than willing to help you out, fellow entrepreneurs, fellow business owners that really know how businesses work. And with these tools and this opportunity, it will give you access to anything you really want to build for your own self, or maybe help somebody else out.
As a member, I enjoy unlimited personal use of all of the current and future Tier 5 softwares, access to the reseller and affiliate programs, and lots more.
At first I thought, well, I will just jump in so I get some mentoring and strategy, you know, on digital marketing and how to get out there so I can help others and build my business and have more free time and more recurring income. And I was shocked. I started making money right away. And not only that, but the guidance and strategy that I've received from the company, I actually have received more than I paid, like $50,000 in coaching.
Are you serious?
I'm super
Get the crap out of here, Brinny.
This has shifted my energy.
Get out of here, Brinny.
My thought process on where I'm going with my business. It gives me more tools for my business, and more tools to help other people that are ready to get out there, get automated, and get into the year of 2018.
And to have a group that teaches you how to do all of this and helps
really
you.
love Nancy.
John is available
hey,
a
Nancy.
lot of hours a day.
I love you,
He posts
Nancy.
the questions. He comes back and answers.
She's so awesome.
And
She's like my
this is
mom.
only one piece of the software.
I love you. There's so much software, Nancy.
I'm familiar now with
so
mobile
much
contact,
software. 37 full-time software engineers just building software.
So
we
I'm
added
having
one
fun
since
with
then.
it.
We just added another
So I have to
software.
share with you that
Hey, Tom.
there's so much to offer here.
Love
in
Tom, too.
Tier 5 as a software development company. I really bought into John's vision for this company as a community-owned.
The first ever
software
community-owned
development
software
company.
development firm. You could be part of it.
Really feel that this is a future that is going to be beneficial for myself and anybody else that comes along and joins on.
You are right,
Now,
though.
for anyone who doesn't know what Tier 5 is, it's actually a community-funded and owned.
Funded by you, the community.
How would you
And we
like
build
that,
software
man?
for
To
you.
be part of a community-owned software company.
A movement, the first
service has
ever.
been fantastic and amazing. But it started this new group anyway. And there is
That's the
loads
community.
of stuff in this group. Not
Junior.
only do we get special discounts for all the softwares that he builds,
You
we
get
have
them
full
all for free,
access
Junior.
to all his softwares. You get a
You do?
Zapier account. He even jumps on your phone calls to help
Well, I
you
don't really
close
jump.
those sales.
It's not like I jump.
In the past
I
6
pick
months,
up the phone.
development quality
This is
and the
Sam.
amount of
He's
development
so
work that's
cool.
been done, it's been more than been done in the past 2 years.
Thanks,
Well,
Sam.
I can do this because I have the Tier 5 community behind me to help me and teach and learn. And John produces such super fantastic software. We are given a discount on any future software. I have 5
You get
available,
all
one of
software,
which is
all future
Zapier
software
that he
included
just
in your
granted
membership.
us.
Like you get
And
all
I
of
have
our
all the
software as
training
long as
from
you're a
John
member.
and Wasili and
You
the
get
team.
all our
It doesn't matter if you're a
software.
business owner, affiliate marketer, or maybe you want to start your own digital agency. There's a Tier 5 solution.
In the past 6 months of working with John, he's not missed a deadline once. Everything's been absolutely perfectly built and nothing's broken in the process.
The benefits that other people can get from this is a lot. The networking benefits, the meeting other people, just that alone is even worth it. The support you get from John and his team, you have access to his developers. You can outsource your work to him. There is a million and one things that anyone can. This is a must. This is a must for anyone who's got a business right now and who wants to grow. John is one of the best developers in the world right now, and I'm so happy, glad, and grateful that I'm on this team right now.
So I highly recommend that you check out Tier 5 and be part of our community-owned software company.
It's the first ever.
My favorite part of the community is the actual community itself. The support, advanced training, encouragement
Thanks, Rachel.
and genuine desire.
That's what the community's for, is to help each other.
Really
You know, we're all going
unmatched
somewhere and we
here
might as well get there
I'm a
together.
member of, and I'm in quite a few groups.
John's program is definitely easy to use.
Creating lead lists with RoboContact, getting in contact with customers through text and bulk. There's also use Link Wizard, which is a magic link generator that allows you to track all your marketing needs as a business owner. You would like to know where your traffic comes from. You also have available to Invoicing You, which is a dynamic invoicing platform that really connects you to your customers on a far deeper level. And there's Magic Zap, which John has blessed us with unlimited access to, being a part of the Tier 5 community.
And you have all
magical.
of this help available.
Lots of help.
So you'd be silly not to.
Again,
You would be
shout out to
silly.
you, John. Shout out
Thanks,
to Tier
Junior.
5. You got to get on this bloody team. I'm telling you.
Yeah, you should join our community.
get on
Don't
this
worry, I'm going to
team.
explain it
It's
to you.
helping me create automation.
Automation.
Business.
We
You are
love
a part of
automation.
a group of like-minded people that are all here working together
Together.
for the same purpose, for the same goals.
I love you,
Got to
Junior.
say, he's extremely surpassed my expectations. And a huge thank you to John, your team,
Thank
and
you.
Tier 5. You are absolutely amazing. Thank you.
Please
Thank you.
check out the Tier 5
Yeah.
software.
Check it out.
Excuse me.
Just stay here. Just
So,
stay here on
I
the
just wanted
page.
to
I'm going
say
to tell
thank
you all
John.
about
I
it.
really appreciate
No
everything
problem,
you've
Tom.
done.
Love you, buddy.
You're a great team.
Thanks.
You've got some excellent coaching.
Thank you.
People that are helping your new prospects
Thanks.
be successful. I myself feel like for the first time, I have something that I can do now that will provide me with an income into my retirement, which is what I planned on in the first place. Anyway, thanks a lot, John. I really appreciate it. I'm really happy to be a part of this group, and I look forward to the future. Thank you.
Oh man, all I can say is if you don't get in, you'll be kicking yourself, and I'll be reminding you of that
That's
later.
not nice, Brittany.
All right, peace, love. Click the button.
See ya,
Join
Brittany.
the team. Talk to you later.
Don't click the button yet.
I love to be here, John.
Oh, hey, Vasily.
Yeah.
Why should you join the Tier 5 community? Let's see what this little thing here says. What does it say? It says that you get the Tier 5 software pass. That's what a lot of them talked about already. You get the Tier 5 software pass. You get unlimited access to all Tier 5 software. It's like over a $1,000 a month value. Right there. You get access to Tier 5 software engineers. Exclusive access to professional Tier 5 software engineers. You work with more than 35 full-time software engineers. You can grow your subscriber list. A supportive community. Well, that sounds right. Join a group of hard-working, smart entrepreneurs just like yourself. Network and get help and support from like-minded community members. $1,000 a month value. Collaborative software development. Work together with community members to bring new Tier 5 softwares to life. Create custom tools to help you every day. Very unique opportunity. Income opportunities. Take advantage of the Tier 5 affiliate program and earn for promoting the Tier 5 community or any of the Tier 5 software products. Tier 5's affiliate commission is 58%? 58%? Looks like you get unlimited access to amazing software. All of this software.